How to price your rental property. Listing a rental property at the right price is critical for landlords. Pricing below market rent can leave cash on the table. Pricing above market rent can leave your property vacant for weeks on end. Let's use Rentometer to get estimate rental price. First, choose a property. I am on Zillow. Here I have a potential property I'm interested to invest in. It is in Ybor City, Tampa with 3 beds, 2 baths, and 1,300 square feet. Copy the address. Go to rentometer.com, paste the address, select beds and baths. Rentometer returns estimated rental rate based on other rentals in the area. Our average rent is $2,200 and median rent is $2,000. At the bottom, we can see where these rental comps are located. We can dive deeper into these rental listings to compare them to our own. Follow my profile for more data analytics tips in real estate.